In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your catering contracts separate from your general invoices by organizing them into folders. This is a simple habit, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you find important documents later. When catering quotes, signed agreements, and canceled event paperwork all live in the same space as everyday invoices, things can start to feel crowded fast. Creating a clear folder structure helps you stay organized, keeps your dashboard easier to manage, and makes document tracking much more efficient. To get started, go to the Documents tab. This is your main document library, and it's where all of your files are stored. If you ever need to locate quotes, contracts, or other records, this is the central place you'll be working from. Taking a moment to organize this area now can save you a lot of time later, especially as your document list grows. Once you're in the Documents tab, create a new folder. Look for the new folder icon, which is usually shown as a small folder with a plus sign. Click that to create a space specifically for the type of documents you want to separate from your general invoices. Next, give your folder a clear and useful name. The goal here is to make the folder instantly recognizable, so you don't have to guess what's inside later. Good examples include Catering Quotes 2026, Signed Contracts, or Canceled Events. Try to name folders in a way that matches how you naturally search for files. Using consistent naming can also make your system easier to maintain over time. After that, move your documents into the appropriate folder. To do this, select the checkbox next to any document you want to organize. Then click the Move icon at the top of the page and choose the folder you just created. This allows you to group related files together without deleting or changing the documents themselves. As you continue moving files, you'll notice your main dashboard starts to look much cleaner and less cluttered. That's one of the biggest benefits of using folders well. Instead of scrolling through a long, mixed list of invoices, quotes, and contracts, you'll have a more focused workspace that's easier to review and maintain. By keeping your catering contracts separate from general invoices, you create a system that's clearer, faster to use, and much better for day-to-day organization. It only takes a few moments to set up, but it can make your document management feel much more streamlined going forward.